Okay, so we are asked to simplify this rational. The first step you got to do is you got to factor and then cancel. So looking at the numerator, we have x squared minus x minus 6. Because it's 3 terms, we factor using normal factoring. So I need to find two numbers that will multiply to -6, but add to a -1. What could be my two numbers? Well, 2 and 3 seem like a good option, and the 3 needs to be negative because it has to add to a -1. So this will factor to x plus 2 times x minus 3. Now we look at the denominator. Two numbers that will multiply to a +6, but add to a -5. Okay, so if they multiply to a positive, our numbers either have to be both positive or both negative. In this case, since they add to a negative number, they're going to be both negative. So let's look at 2 and 3 again. If they're both negative, that does add to -5. So this factors to x minus 2 and x minus 3. Now look at what's the same in both the numerator and denominator and cancel it. So the x minus 3's cancel, and you're left with x plus 2 over x minus 2.